Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and what we're going to be doing today is something I've been wanting to do for a while, but just never really had the time. And now I've got a few hours spare, so now is the best time. And what that is today we will be leather balming the BMW's leathers, not just the seats, but obviously the door cards and all like the leather accents and stuff like the armrest and things like that. So hopefully it should look quite nice. What we're going to be using to do that is the Ultimate Leather Balm by Meguiar's. So the box contains the leather balm itself and a rather nice applicating pad. But obviously before we do any of that, we've got to clean the seats because you can't leather balm dirty seats. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give them a good vacuum and a wipe down with a wet microfiber cloth and obviously dry them off. And then when it comes to the leather balming process, I'm going to use the pad to apply it and rub it into the surface. And then to remove it and the final wipe, I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth. So we've only just done one so far, and I don't think the camera does it that much justice, but it does look a hell of a lot better. So this is sort of the cut-off line, if you can see. That's the treated leather, then this is the non-treated leather. Now I'm going to get on with the centre and then the other rear passenger, and then I'll move on to the front after that probably. Right then, guys, so that is the seats for the BMW, leather bombed, and to be honest, I think it looks quite a lot better, and obviously it should give it a bit of protection. I know those seats haven't even been cleaned or leather bombed for at least a year since I've owned the car, and God knows how long before that, so it's quite nice that they've had that clean and, you know, the years of muck have been taken off it. But that was it for this video. If you did enjoy it, as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, guys, peace.